The 2025 Cadillac XT4 is a compact luxury SUV that continues to embody Cadillac's bold styling, modern technology, and refined comfort, while offering a more youthful and dynamic driving experience compared to its larger siblings. Redesigned for the 2024 model year, the 2025 XT4 builds upon that foundation, refining its identity as a nimble yet luxurious contender in the premium crossover market. Built in Kansas City, Kansas, this American-made SUV competes with other compact luxury SUVs such as the Audi Q3, BMW X1, Mercedes-Benz GLA, and Volvo XC40. With its updated exterior design, advanced infotainment system, and a suite of standard safety features, the 2025 Cadillac XT4 offers a compelling package for young professionals, small families, and anyone looking to step into the luxury space without going full-size. On the outside, the XT4 makes an immediate impression with its sharp lines, bold grille, and signature vertical LED lighting elements that define Cadillac's modern design language. For 2025, Cadillac introduces new paint colors and optional wheel designs, giving buyers more room for personalization. The front fascia is muscular, featuring a wide mesh grille with a black or chrome finish depending on the trim level. LED headlights with a more sculpted appearance now come standard, accompanied by LED taillights and animated lighting sequences. The XT4 retains its compact proportions, making it an ideal choice for urban environments where parking and maneuverability are a concern. Yet, it carries enough visual presence to hold its own among more expensive rivals. Standard 18-inch wheels offer a balanced blend of comfort and aesthetics, while optional 20-inch wheels cater to those seeking a sportier stance. Under the hood, the 2025 XT4 remains powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain provides smooth acceleration and efficient power delivery. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available on all trims for added traction and confidence in various weather conditions. The XT4 delivers a comfortable and composed ride, with responsive steering and solid handling that strikes a good balance between luxury and performance. It may not be as sporty as a BMW X1 or as plush as a Mercedes-Benz GLA, but the XT4 finds a sweet spot that many buyers will appreciate. Fuel economy is estimated at 24 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway for front-wheel drive models, while AWD variants see a slight dip in efficiency. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 XT4 receives significant upgrades that elevate the overall luxury experience. A new 33-inch curved LED touchscreen display stretches across the dashboard, similar to the one found in Cadillac's flagship Lyriq electric SUV. This screen integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, powered by the Google built-in platform that includes Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is a Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, and USB-C connectivity. The infotainment system is intuitive and highly customizable, making it easy for drivers to tailor the interface to their preferences. Materials throughout the cabin have seen noticeable improvements. Soft touch surfaces, real aluminum accents, and available leather upholstery contribute to a more premium atmosphere. Higher trims offer ventilated and massaging front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a head-up display, and a 13-speaker AKG premium audio system that delivers crisp and immersive sound. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom for the segment, and the flat rear floor enhances comfort for middle seat occupants. The cargo area behind the second row offers 22.5 cubic feet of space, which expands to 48.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded flat. This practicality makes the XT4 a smart choice for weekend getaways, grocery runs, and everyday commutes. Safety remains a top priority in the 2025 Cadillac XT4. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, and a rear view camera. Optional safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, a surround view camera system, parking assist, and Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system on select trims. The XT4 has earned solid safety ratings in previous model years and is expected to maintain or exceed that standard in 2025, making it a reliable choice for families and individuals alike. The XT4 is offered in 3 primary trims: Luxury, Premium Luxury, and Sport. Each trim brings its own personality, with Luxury serving as the base model featuring synthetic leather upholstery, 8-way power front seats, and keyless entry. Premium Luxury adds genuine leather, ambient lighting, and more tech options, while Sport trim introduces sportier styling cues, blacked-out exterior accents, and performance-tuned suspension. Pricing for the 2025 XT4 starts around $39,000 for the base model and can climb into the mid-$50,000 range when fully equipped with all the available features and options. One of the strengths of the 2025 Cadillac XT4 lies in its well-balanced appeal. It's not trying to be the fastest, most luxurious, or most high-tech SUV in its class, but it delivers a cohesive and satisfying experience across the board. The updated infotainment screen is a standout feature that brings Cadillac's tech game to the forefront, while the ride quality and cabin refinement make it a comfortable and pleasant place to spend time. Additionally, the XT4 benefits from a distinct American flair in its design and identity, which helps it stand out in a segment often dominated by European rivals. For drivers looking to transition from mainstream SUVs into the luxury world, the 2025 XT4 represents a strong value proposition. It offers the badge prestige of Cadillac, an iconic American luxury brand, combined with modern amenities, smart safety features, and a driving experience that is approachable yet enjoyable. Cadillac's focus on personalization also shines here, with various packages and options that allow buyers to tailor their vehicle to fit their lifestyle and preferences. Whether it's a tech-forward driver seeking Google built-in capabilities or a style-conscious buyer who wants a bold exterior and upscale interior, the XT4 delivers versatility with confidence. Another factor worth noting is Cadillac's ongoing commitment to electric vehicles, and while the XT4 remains a traditional gasoline-powered SUV for now, it benefits from the brand's overall technological evolution. Lessons learned from the development of EVs like the Lyriq have clearly influenced the user interface and digital experience inside the XT4. This ensures that even buyers who aren't ready to go electric still benefit from Cadillac's cutting-edge development efforts. In daily driving scenarios, the XT4 proves to be a capable and agreeable companion. It absorbs road imperfections well, especially with the optional adaptive suspension, and the cabin stays relatively quiet even at highway speeds. The turbocharged engine provides enough grunt for merging and passing, though those seeking high-performance thrills might wish for a V6 or hybrid variant. That said, the 2.0-liter turbo is well matched to the XT4's dimensions and mission as a luxury commuter SUV. Servicing and ownership experiences are further enhanced by Cadillac's comprehensive warranty and maintenance packages. The 2025 XT4 includes a 4-year, 50,000-mile limited warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. Cadillac also provides complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first visit, which adds to peace of mind for new owners. Resale value and long-term reliability are always considerations when purchasing a luxury vehicle. Cadillac has made strides in improving the dependability of its lineup, and the XT4 has shown good reliability ratings in recent years. The brand continues to invest in quality control and dealer support, which are critical components for long-term ownership satisfaction. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac XT4 stands as a well-rounded and appealing choice in the competitive compact luxury SUV segment. With its striking design, upscale cabin, modern tech, and comfortable ride, it offers a taste of Cadillac's luxury heritage in a format that's accessible and practical. For American buyers who want something different from the usual German suspects, the XT4 delivers a fresh and distinctly domestic take on what a luxury SUV should be. It represents a fusion of style, comfort, and innovation, all wrapped in a compact package that fits perfectly into the lives of today's diverse drivers. Whether you're a young urban professional, an empty nester downsizing from a larger vehicle, or simply someone looking for a sophisticated yet approachable SUV, the 2025 Cadillac XT4 deserves a serious look.